Now, the next thing to think about is, this is our focus, and I really believe you have to really align on your focus and then execute towards that focus and put the actions in place to make that happen. So now we're going to give you some insight on how we're going to execute on these plans. And it's my pleasure to introduce to you our Senior VP of Customer Success. And she's going to talk to you about how we're going to take this plan into action and results. And this individual I have tremendous amount of respect for. She has over 25 years in the industry. She's been with Benefitfocus virtually from the beginning. She's done every single job in our entire company, but what I love about her the most is she puts her customers at her heart in everything she does. So enjoy me in welcoming Annmarie Fini.
Thanks, Ray. Well, good morning. I'm Annmarie Fini, and as Ray said, I lead our customer success organization. And I have the opportunity to work with you and on behalf of you. And today I'm going to just share with you a couple of key insights from 2016 and our customer success organization, and how we're going to, we call it the CSO, by the way, and how we're going to continue to grow and transcend in 2017 from the CSO 1.0 to 2.0. I would call 2016 the year of setting the foundation for the customer success organization. We shifted our organizational model based on your feedback, and we're committed to enhancing our services as we continue to grow. And we will visit and share our initiatives with you often as we want to understand what your priorities are and how we can align with them. One of my favorite things to do is to go out on the road and to visit with you and share what's most important, what we can do to improve upon. And one of the things that I hear the most is just how much you love working with our people, how dedicated they are to serving you. And I couldn't be more proud of the work of the customer success organization and the team. But we know that individual efforts are not enough, and so we continue to emphasize strong and repeatable processes and internal systems to make sure that we get things done right from the start. A few examples as we think about our data journey is the reservation system. You've heard us talk about that a bit over the last couple of days, and that allowed us to model the open enrollment experience and understand all of the different open enrollment start and end dates. We were able to use that to emphasize our system performance and our capacity modeling, and it was incredibly successful. And so in 2017, we're going to extend the reservation system to look at our scheduling of data files. And so it's quite an orchestration to schedule all the files throughout the open enrollment. So we're going to add that to the reservation system and allow you to have advanced understanding of those impacts, work with your insurance carriers and your partners to make sure that we have the data at the right time for them as well. And we know that getting data right from the start, both from into our systems as well as out to our partners, is really vital. And so when I think about the requirements and the configurations, we need to have solution consultants, whether they're Benefitfocus associates or system integrators, who truly understand how to take your requirements and transcend them into the configurations accurately, the first time. So to do that, we're looking at the requirements navigator and being able to expose that to you so that you have visibility into those configurations, and we can make sure that we have the best user experience for everyone. When I think of data quality, there are a few things that come to mind. One is that our solution consultants have the most expertise and able to truly help with that, and that we have the end-to-end solution mapped out from the beginning. So that's a key focus for us in 2017. And when I think about the customer community and how we are better together, the One Place 365 idea community comes to mind. An example of that is when I was recently visiting Memphis, Tennessee, and American Residential Services. Tiffany Jackson shared with me that she loves to see her ideas come to life in the platform. And she was an early adopter of One Place 365, and her idea was to take the workflow and allow customers to be able to close cases on their own. And so this is now part of the functionality available to all of our customers. And Tiffany is in the audience, I believe, today. If you're here, give me a wave, and I'll recognize Tiffany. Thank you. And then evolving our organization and our processes are a key priority for the Customer Success Organization in 2017. And I believe that's a key cornerstone for our success. CSO 2.0, as we optimize the organization, is going to include looking at smaller teams so that we have better customer familiarity and customer knowledge transfer. We're investing in our associates to ensure that they enhance their skills, both from the technology expertise, benefits expertise, and payroll expertise. So as Sean mentioned yesterday, we invest in our associates with designations. So we're adding CPP for payroll and PMP for project management. So those are some key to really help you be able to make sure that the solutions best fit your needs. We're also investing from a process perspective from Six Sigma and lean practices, and we're looking at all of our workflow processes, even such as an example of just the life cycle of a case. And knowledge management is a priority, both from technical expertise, but also from the customer's preferences and opportunities to understand their solution from the start. I have great confidence in our ability to accomplish all of this in 2017, and I hope you are ready to take the journey with me as well. Thank you.